And now the first question would be this: what key issues are customers in transportation looking to solve for today? Anybody want to grab it?
Sure. So, all customers today have some sorts of physical assets and operations where there's opportunities to improve safety, save costs, make operations more efficient. Efficiently managing all these public spaces and our infrastructure requires better intelligence. For many years, we've been working on building a large ecosystem of AI-enabled applications that allow businesses to extract super valuable data from video and other sensors to enhance the way our roads, our airports, our sports venues, etc., are managed. Adding intelligence to cameras and other sensors requires infrastructure such as servers, storage, networking, making this a perfect sales opportunity for you. And the NVIDIA BCD Dell partnership makes it really easy to spec and deploy validated solutions for all these applications.
And if I could add to that, so as a team, right, we're having conversations with literally thousands of customers a year. And there's some themes that have emerged. So to dovetail into what Jumby talked about, we've seen 5 key themes emerge. And what we find is when we're talking to customers, the myriad of analytics and sensors and things like that can be overwhelming. So the guidance, I guess, if we could offer any, would be to focus on the outcome that you're trying to drive or that your customer is trying to drive. And the 5 buckets we've seen kind of universally evolve over time have been, it's about personnel and facility safety, right? It's about what's the experience of people within my facility. Now that's not only the passenger, right? But that's also employees. It's also vendors. What am I doing to impact that? And then, as Jumby mentioned, we're looking for operational efficiencies, right? We are not at pre-pandemic levels of staffing anymore. So we've got to do a lot more with technology. And we don't have, we have to be smarter about how we deploy our human resources. So how do we use, video analytics to help make that happen? Another big theme that most of the customers we're talking to bring up is it's about reducing their carbon footprint. It's about what can they do around power and water and waste and electrical usage. Everybody's got sustainability goals, and the regions that transportation hubs exist in have sustainability goals. So how does analytics and technology make that happen? And then certainly one of the most important things is through this combination of that, how does this enhance what I'm doing for a living? So it's really about using video analytics to provide better quality insights faster, right? That I can then take action, redeploy human resources more efficiently, and just run my business better. But we find that if you're talking to your customers, focus on the outcomes that they've got first. That defines the workflow that you've got to deliver. That workflow then defines what's the set of partners and architecture that'll create the solution to deliver those particular outcomes.